To use Klarna on Best Buy, start by selecting the items you want to purchase and proceed to the checkout page. Once you are on the checkout page, you will see the payment options available, including Klarna. Select Klarna as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Klarna website. On the Klarna website, you will need to create an account or log in to your existing account. If you are a new user, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to provide your social security number and date of birth to verify your identity. Once you have created your account or logged into your existing account, you will be presented with the payment options available. Klarna offers several payment options, including pay in 4 installments, pay in 30 days, and financing options. Choose the payment option that best suits your needs and budget. After selecting your payment option, you will need to review and agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure you understand the payment schedule, interest rates, and any fees associated with your chosen payment option. If you are satisfied with the terms, click Agree and you will be redirected back to the Best Buy website. On the Best Buy website, you will see a confirmation page that shows your order details and the payment method you have chosen. Review the information carefully to ensure everything is correct. If everything is correct, click Confirm and your order will be processed. Using Klarna on Best Buy is a convenient and flexible way to pay for your purchases. It allows you to split your payments into manageable installments or pay for your purchases at a later date. However, it is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees or interest charges. By following these steps and understanding the payment options available, you can use Klarna on Best Buy with confidence.